Hey plant lover, what's up? How have you been? We all love grapes, and after today, we will grow some too. Crazy idea? Well, couple of pointers and it'll be worth your while, and that's a promise. Yes, that's right, a grapevine can fruit in a container, although it might take a couple of years before you could enjoy fruit of your labor. In this video, I will leave no stone unturned and share every ground reality there is to make sure you raise a grapevine successfully. So sit tight and enjoy the journey. Let's begin. I'll share 5 points. If you take care of these points, no way you will fail at raising a grapevine. Number 1, select grapes which have bigger and potent seeds. Some varieties we get these days have seeds, but they won't germinate. Simple trick, get the seeds out of the fruit and put them in water. If they float, you're not in luck, and if they settle down, you're good to go. Number 2, the soil should be good enough to hold a lot of water during the seed germination. So a lot of coco peat and garden soil should be your mix. And don't forget the drainage hole. Number 3, the most important thing. Do not use any kind of fertilizer during first couple of months. The young grapevines would be fine without a fertilizer for 6 months. Once you repot them, you can sure introduce some organic fertilizer. Number 4, these small or young grapevines would need to be in complete shade and no direct sunlight for first 2 months. Later, of course, you can have them bathe in the sun, no worries. Last but not least, number 5, the young grapevine would love water. So always remember to water only in the evenings. And yes, the leaves do love a good soaking to speed up the growth. So every evening make sure you water these grapevines and you also sprinkle some water on the leaves. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you would get on with raising some grapevines right away. As you are aware, the channel has surpassed 2,000 subscribers. How do I even begin to say this? This has been some ride and couldn't have been possible without your love and support. Thank you. I wish you all the energy and luck to achieve whatever that is you are aspiring in your life. Until next time, please take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.